Hi, my name is Vian, and I'm a photographer from Wisconsin. So for my shoot, when I think of Femme Fatale, I think of attractive, bold, and mysterious women. I thought back to the films that I grew up watching, movies that I thought that had really strong female characters with really compelling storylines that would also fit the theme of Femme Fatale. I decided to base my shoot off of the film, A Chinese Ghost Story. So for those of you who may not be familiar with the storyline of A Chinese Ghost Story, here's all you need to know pretty much. Depending on which version you watch, there's a female ghost named Nian, whose job is literally to seduce men with her beauty and offer those men up as sacrifices for her master, who is a demon tree. She eventually meets this human geeky scholar guy and tries to seduce him too, but he doesn't fall for it. So long story short, they both fall in love. An important part of Femme Fatale is that these women usually bring disaster along with them or puts men into dangerous situations, so in this case, Nian has to keep her lover alive from her master. So for my mood board, I wanted to incorporate long fabric and include in some kind of motion. For my final mood board, I went with a white dress to stay true to the storyline, and I also wanted to do a floral installation, which is supposed to represent the tree demon who was Nian's master.
Darling. I am a graphic designer from Wisconsin, and occasionally I like to do photography. My favorite type of photography to do are portraits in natural light. So when I found out that the concept was Femme Fatale, I'm not gonna lie, I knew it was not going to be an easy task. I knew it was going to take a lot of planning and research. To me, a femme fatale is a woman who is not only beautiful, but she is smart and she is confident and she is bold. This idea really influenced the way that I put my mood board together. The first thing I did was I went to Pinterest and I got a lot of my inspiration there. I was definitely inspired by the old Hollywood vintage style and also cinema. I think that cinema has a lot of great examples of femme fatales. Another thing is I knew I wanted to incorporate the color red, and I wanted to see where I can incorporate it in. In the end, I went with a wine red color dress that I think fit this concept really well. On the day of the photo shoot, I arrived with my two assistants, and this was actually the first time that we would see the location in person. In the room, there are 3 big windows that let in a lot of natural light. They also provided us with various different props, like a big mirror and different types of couches that we can use for the photo shoot. So my plan for the photo shoot was to work my way around the room and just to find the best areas where there would be really nice lighting. There were some shadows that I think really played well into the dramatic feel of the photos, and I think that really influenced the way that I would edit them later on. And I think that my model did an amazing job. She took direction really well, and she's definitely a natural. My assistants were amazing. I could not have done this without them. I was really happy with the way that everything turned out, and I was really excited to edit these photos.
it's Sarah from Sarah's Photography. I am from North Carolina, a local photographer, Hmong photographer here, and I will be doing behind the scenes for this video, so you guys can come along, see how I come up with the ideas for my shoot and what I'm doing. Also make sure that you guys follow the model and follow me on Facebook and Instagram so that you guys can see my work. Thanks.
Let's get started on this mood board, you guys. I am writing out Femme Fatale. That is the theme for this photo shoot, this concept. I will be doing this concept with 2 other photographers, and you guys will actually get to see their take on this theme too. The 3 colors on here are my color scheme, which I am trying to aim for. If not, it's okay. Your mood board always changes. I'm just adding the definition for Femme Fatale since I did not know what it meant. I didn't even know that this certain style was named Femme Fatale, but now I know. I am inserting images that I found on Google search that is gonna help me bring inspiration or recreating these just this theme. Alright, I am debating between these 2 dresses. Accessories. So we're going to incorporate a little bit of Hmong into it. The necklace, the gloves, the jewelry, earrings. Might not do that because that's the headband, but maybe. And then might do a few with the princess hats. So, and then like a fur. This is like a scarf. And then the jacket. So let's hope it turns out well.